Today we are making brown sugar cookies with a blueberry cream cheese frosting. The cookies are soft with a caramel-like flavor, and they are covered with a mild but sweet blueberry cream cheese frosting and then drizzled with a gorgeous blueberry glaze. The colors are all natural. No mixer is needed for the cookie dough, so cleanup is a breeze. They are gluten-free, nut-free, eggless, and can easily be made vegan with a few tweaks. So come on, let's make them. First, we are going to melt our butter about halfway. Then we are going to whisk and let the residual heat melt the rest. Take our gluten-free flour, add it to a bowl. Add our baking powder and kosher salt. Then we are going to whisk until fully combined. Next, we are going to add cornstarch and water, mix it together until it is thin and watery. It will be thick and tacky at first. Into our melted butter, add our brown sugar, cornstarch water, and vanilla. Then we are going to whisk until it is fully emulsified and combined, and make sure that there are no giant chunks of sugar remaining. Next, add in half of the dry ingredients and the milk and whisk again until combined. Once it gets too thick, we're going to switch to a spatula and we are going to fold in the remaining half of the dry ingredients. Just mix until you see no more white chunks. We're going to cover with plastic wrap and freeze for about 45 minutes. We're going to add our blueberries to a bowl, microwave them, and then smash them with the back of a fork until they are liquidy and jammy. You can either strain them or not, it's up to you. Add our butter and cream cheese to a mixing bowl, mix it up. Add our confectioner's sugar. And now we're going to add our jammy blueberries. And a little bit of vanilla. And we're going to mix until combined and silky smooth. Next, we are going to make 12 scoops out of our cookie dough and then flatten them into thick discs. Bake them and let them cool completely before frosting them. Once they are completely cool, frost the tops of the cookies. And then we are going to make our blueberry icing. Add confectioner's sugar, jammy blueberries, and water, and whisk until it is combined in a gorgeous magenta color. Drizzle it on the tops of the cool cookies and enjoy. I hope you guys love them as much as we do. Thanks so much for watching. You can find the complete recipe with step-by-step photos on the blog Lean and Gray Fare, which I have linked below. And for more decadent, gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more recipe videos just like this one, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thanks so much.